Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's Sunday and it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It's about 1:30 here, getting off to a little bit of a late shave. Today's shave soap is going to be Cella. Thumbnail. You know, that name, Cella or Cella. My mind would say Cella, but everybody says Cella. It is that nice, clean, fresh almond / cherry scent to me. And I've never used this prior to purchasing this. I did do a couple shaves off camera with it. But yeah, up until then, I've never used it. I mean, it's been around for a long time. And I got this splash from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And this is Cella Cool. A lot of people say that if you buy the Cella aftershave or balm made by Cella, it doesn't smell anything like the soap, which is kind of mind-boggling to me, because you would think, why would you make two products with the same name but different scent? And one of the things that makes you think Cella, you know, this one has the CH, but anyway, that has some menthol and the cooling effect. On the website, it says if you're allergic to almonds and all that kind of stuff, be precautious. I didn't have any issues with it. I'm going to be following that up with the Star Jelly. I've got the lather already whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. I feel like my camera's off a little bit. Using this nice solar flare brush with the badger knot that I changed out. There's what the lather looks like. Very nice. It really feels like a luxury shaving cream. I put in the description box that it's a shave soap, but it does say shaving cream. And I feel like when I scooped it out of there, it was pretty creamy. And it's just very nice and thick, but yet, as far as the texture or the viscosity of it, it's really not that thick. It just feels really nice, which is what we're all looking for. All right, today's razor is going to be this vintage black diamond, and it is made in New York City from a time that I'm not really sure because I didn't look it up. And the thing is, if you can see here, probably can't see there, that black diamond logo looks different than this side, which I can't do. But anyway, put a new edge on there. Let's see how it goes. I've got a sponge here that I'm going to wipe all my goodies on. And so here we go, pass number 1 with the grain. Getting too close to the goatee. Now that edge is very nice. The Cella soap doesn't have much residual slickness, but that is super close and nice and sharp and smooth. Just what I've been looking forward to. Now I'm going to switch hands, which I normally never do, so that I'm trying to get to where I can use this hand pretty freely. It makes for a better shave video. Everybody wants to see the action. Wow. Um, so what do you want? What do you want to hear? What I was going to say was I had purchased a conical stone and was practicing around with the edge on this. And I can't fault the stone. I will have to say I will fault my shaving abilities or my honing abilities with the stone. I don't feel like I've learned it quite yet. So you may be asking, well, why is your edge so nice? I took this stone and put it back to my basic progression that I'm familiar with. And I feel like it's nice, I'll tell you that. But I think the thing that where I'm going with it is, let's see, how do I put it? I used the conical stone, which was something I changed up. But with that being said, I just did the flat stone because that conical is not curved or convexed. And I think that is one of the contributing factors, because whenever I took this blade back to my normal progression, I feel like the convex stone really makes an edge pop, and that's just my opinion. It worked for this. When I went back to what I usually do, the edge was just as nice. So what I probably need to do in my experimenting time is that since I reset the bevel with the convex, I need to go back and try the conical again and see if that changes anything. Because, you know, I've always said I like to try to not put too many variables in, and I put 2 variables in at the same time, which not a good idea. Because then if it goes wrong, you're like, which one was it? Was it this one? Was it that one? Blah, blah, blah. All right, here we go. Pass number 2 across the grain. And I know this sounds crazy, Eric and Sean, but and anyone that's listening at this point, when I did the conical edge, it was hair popping. It passed the hanging hair test, but yet the shave was a little bit smoother. Let me get to shaving and talking. So it was a little smoother, but yet for some reason it just wasn't as close or sharp, maybe. And so I don't know. It seemed nice, but then the result portion of it wasn't quite where I wanted it to be. And maybe it's just because I'm super picky. I don't know. But so just to test out whether I was really feeling what I thought I was feeling, or was it just me being a little bit reluctant, I can tell you this edge meets the shave feel that I like, but everyone always wants to chase that perfect edge. I don't know why. A better, sharper, smoother. What is it about humans that want more, 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 or better, better, better? And like I said, I'm not blaming the stone. It's probably because I'm not familiar with it, and I probably need to change my technique for it to work correctly. Or it could be that that type of edge doesn't meet my needs. I don't know. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up. It looked awfully dark. I was like, is that blood? Anyway, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. A little bit of a late video today. We were expected to get some weathery mix, and last night, about 10 or so, we started getting the snow flurries, and then somewhere around 2:30, we started getting the sleet. And then this morning, I don't know what time it was, 7-ish or so, started getting that freezing rain. And ooh, that feels nice. It's got like a little bit of a sting to it. And so today I kind of put all this off a little bit because I wasn't sure. They talked about all kinds of stuff on the news and social media. You know how they go rampant with crazy stuff about. But we were on the borderline of whether we were really going to get anything, and just a little bit north above us, I think they were calling for like 6 to 8 inches of snow, and so we were like, we're always right there on that line. But anyway, that's the shave for the day. I'll put a picture right here of everything I used, and I don't know if I said it already, but we didn't get nearly as what we were told we were going to get, so that was good. No power outages and all that stuff. All right, so that's the shave for the day. I will see you guys on Will It Shave Wednesday. What could it be?